Hello, my name is Ronald Lopez, and today I will tell you a little bit about my life. I want to tell you a little about my achievements. Mm. One thing has been to represent my country in a sport called rugby. It played several years abroad. He played a country shoot at France, Spain, England, and Argentina. My life has been marked by some events. Uh, One of them has been in this band at two friends were fired to travels and my rugby teams in what something that market me a lot of formed my families what at important pillar to overcome these journeys. Okay. Like everyone, I have my feet and veterans, and one of them is to be a great professional. If I want to have my work home, to cut more planes in the world. Since traveling is my passion, I want to read, married, and be happy. Thank you very much for your attention.